though there are many traditional companies who are here at the trade fair, but there are also new companies, or at least they're new here at the trade fair. It's great to have you here, and I'd like to welcome you to the trade fair ProWein. How is it for you? How's the first day been?
First day is quite exciting for us because, as you said, we had the first time here in Düsseldorf and even at ProWein. We expected a few German customers, but we had a lot of internationals, which is very, very good for us as a company which is based in Germany, because we are looking for partners abroad who are bringing our brands into the world.
Tell us a little bit more about your company and what you expect the international clients to get when they want to drink your lovely liquor.
So we are a family-owned business in the third generation now. We are classically coming from the fruit brandy spirits, but over the years we also developed a portfolio which is more suitable for the international categories. So we have our needle gin here, we have our Everman whiskey here, and we distill all of that in the heart of the Black Forest with all our passion. And this is also the most the unique selling point for us. We're looking for partners abroad who are very interested or curious about Black Forest spirits brands.
All right, so let's talk some trends. As you said, you've been in third generation, but what would you say, where is the trend headed? And would you say people want more of the fruity, or they want to stick to the more traditional classic liquor? What would you say?
Yeah, it's either way. We tell all the consumers, for example, if you have one brand, let's talk about our gin. We can develop our gin in all the categories what you need. So we have a portfolio with our gin, which is the classic one, 40% volume, used for gin tonic, but we flavor the gin as well. For example, we have a pink gin as well, which is more sweet, which is more fruity. And we are launching, not on ProWein, but it should be next year. So next year maybe on ProWein, we are launching our zero alcohol gin.
That sounds perfect. So I think we should end by saying, wir sehen uns 2025, oder?
Yeah. See you in 2025.